In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2020 Ford Expedition fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle, and how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Engine compartment fuse box. The 2020 Ford Expedition engine compartment fuse box houses essential fuses and relays for vehicle functions like engine control, lighting, and the fuel system. It provides labeled slots for easy fuse replacement and is located near the engine bay for accessibility. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2020 Ford Expedition passenger compartment fuse box contains fuses and relays for interior electronics like climate control, infotainment, and power windows. It's conveniently located beneath the dashboard for quick access with labeled slots for simplified maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on 2020 Ford Expedition fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.